Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here today. Have you ever thought about your future? About your big dreams? Maybe you want to travel the world, learn a new skill, or get a great job. How can you talk about these things in English? It can feel a little difficult, right? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to talk about your future, your dreams, and your goals. By the end of this video, you'll know the secret words and phrases to share your big plans with anyone. You'll feel more confident and more excited about your future. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you like this lesson, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us a lot. So, are you ready to dream with me? Let's get started. Every person has a dream, a big idea for their future. I want to tell you about my dream. My big dream is to live in a small house by the sea. I imagine a beautiful, quiet place. The house will have a big window, and I will see the ocean every morning. I will walk on the beach and feel the sun and the wind. This is my big dream. It is something I think about often. But a dream is not enough. To make a dream real, you need a plan. I have a plan for my dream. My plan is to save money every month. It's a small step, but it's a real step. It makes my dream feel closer. So now let's talk about the words we use to talk about these things. We have two very important phrases, will and am going to. These two phrases are the most important for talking about the future. We use will for a quick decision or a simple fact. It's a spontaneous choice. Example, I feel thirsty. I will drink some water. This is a quick decision you make now. Example, I think it will rain tomorrow. This is a simple prediction. We use will for a big, faraway dream. My dream is to live by the sea. So I say, I will live in a house by the sea. We use am going to for a plan. This is something you have already decided. Example, I am going to visit my parents this weekend. You have a plan? You have decided this already. Example, I am going to study English tonight. This is a plan you made. For my dream, my plan is to save money. So I say, I am going to save money every month. Can you see the difference? Will is a wish or a quick thought. Am going to is a real plan with real action. Let's use a different example. Maybe your big dream is to be a great singer. This is a beautiful dream. To make this dream real, you need a plan. The dream? I will be a great singer. This is your big goal. The plan? Next month, I am going to take singing lessons. This is a clear, decided step. The action? This week, I am going to practice singing for 10 minutes every day. This is a small, easy action. Every time you practice, you are making your dream a little more real. Don't worry if your plan is very small. Small steps are the best. It is better to practice for 10 minutes a day than to plan for 2 hours and do nothing. And what about a negative? We can also talk about what we won't do. The short form for will not is won't. Example, I won't give up on my dream. The negative for am going to is am not going to. Example, I am not going to quit my job next year. To talk about the future, we need to know the right time words. For today, tonight. I am going to read a book tonight. For tomorrow, tomorrow. It will be sunny tomorrow. For the next week, next week. I am going to visit my family next week. For the next month, next month. He will have a new job next month. For the next year, next year. We are going to buy a new car next year. For the future, one day or someday. Someday I will learn to speak Spanish. These words help your listeners understand when your dream or plan will happen. Remember, your future is in your hands. You are the writer of your own story. Your dreams are important. Don't be afraid to dream big, and don't be afraid to make a small, simple plan. So, now it's your turn. I have a small challenge for you. In the comments below, please tell me 2 things. One big dream you have for your future. Use the word will. One small plan you're going to do to reach that dream. Use the phrase, am going to. For example, you can write, I will speak English fluently. Tomorrow, I am going to watch a new video. I would absolutely love to read your answers. Your practice is the most important part of this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more lessons. See you next time.